Welcome everyone, it's really wonderful to see you all here. A warm welcome to mayors, councillors and councillor staff who have travelled from across Victoria to be here tonight. Your presence underscores the importance of the service of councillors and the collaborative spirit that really does define us as a local government community. We're really shining a light tonight on the significant service of our councillors in the state of Victoria and the important work that they do every day in their communities. The MAV Councillor Service Awards celebrate the leadership and steadfast commitment and the dedication that our long-serving councillors and mayors play in shaping a vision for tomorrow that serves our communities now and well into the future.
Local government is, of course, the area of government that is closest to the community. Your work touches lives in a meaningful, visible and sometimes invisible way. So to all of tonight's nominees, thank you for the work that you do in serving communities. Congratulations to every single one of you for the work that you do in bringing everyone together to make our community better and stronger and fairer.
It's just terrific to see that the future is in safe hands with our youth councillors, and we look forward to watching your journey as you continue to serve your local community. Please join me again in congratulating the Mayor Award recipients as well as all Service Award recipients this evening. Thank you.